this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an Alpha Capital funded account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up any browser that you would like to use and then go up to alphacapitalgroup.uk. I'll also put a link to it down in the description for you to check out. From here, you'll get into this page right here. Here you can see how it works. You can see the products that they are offering. You can see the trade platforms and a bunch of other things. You can also over here click client area, but if you want to buy a funded account, you'll need to go down to start alpha evaluation. When you click on that, a new tab will pop up where you can see either sign in, where you can sign in with your email, or you can sign up, where you can put in your information or sign up, or use your Google account to sign up. Once you're signed up, you'll get into the dashboard right here. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the right hand corner and go over to add account. This is where we'll buy the accounts. From here, you'll need to choose either Alpha 1, Alpha Pro, or Alpha 3. Personally, I would recommend Step 2 or Alpha Pro simply because it's the most popular one to choose from. Then from here, you need to add in account type, where I can choose Alpha Pro, swing trading, or the free trial over here. Of course, the free trial will be free, but these two other ones will cost $77 and $70 for swing trading. Then from here, you need to choose an assignment target limits if you choose the Alpha Pro. And here you can select between 6%, 8%, or 10%. Down here in account size, you'll be able to choose between 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, and even 200K that most other funded firm props doesn't offer. Here you'll also need to choose a platform, either MetaTrader 5, CTrader, DXTrade, or TradeLocker. And down here you can also add a payment method from Nuvei, which choose Visa, MasterCard, Apple, and Google Play. Or you can also do Coin, which will be for crypto. Down here you can also change the payout type, either bi-weekly or on demand. Commission down here, you can either choose between raw spread or no commission, and you can use whether or not you want to use EAUs, yes or no. Down here you need to add in your customer information with first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, your city, and your selected country. Down here you'll also see terms and conditions that you need to acknowledge and agree to. Over here you can add in a discount code, and when you have done that, you can add I declare that I read and agreed the term of conditions. I am not a US citizen. I acknowledge that I signed up with my personal details, and I agree to receive newsletters, news, and product updates. From here, you need to click proceed, and then you need to write in your credit card details, and then you'll have your account. I wish you luck with your challenge and happy trading.